Tech and You show that it is in fact a review of the Galaxy Flip 3. Let's have a look.
We're reviewing the Galaxy Flip 3 today for all of you over here, and this device is the cutest thing that you can see when you talk about technology, you know. It's great innovation and it's too cute to look at. This, of course, with the predecessors, and when it had come out in the pink color, this time around it's in the black color. It has a slight white shade also as well, coming in two variants. You do remember the Moto Razr. But this is very different from that. It's just the idea of the flip which is similar. Of course, you can't flip the phone like you could do for the Moto Razr. It was a much thinner phone. This is a thicker device, and it has a lot of innovation that has gone into it to figure out and fix that hinge issue that we guys complained about. This time around, if you see, the hinge is much better. Of course, you do see a line which is not very prominent if you notice now. It does not really irritate your eye when you're using your device. So they've really worked very hard in this, as well as the phone feels very easy when you're doing this. It does not give you, when I was doing this earlier with the predecessor of the Flip, you always feel a kind of a hitch over here with the hinge. But now it just happens very easily, which is not a trouble at all. Important thing, obviously the style design remains the same, but they've increased the screen size over here, which is actually very useful, because earlier, if you can see, all your notifications come here, right, and you can actually read them, and it's of some use. Earlier it was so small that it was really of no significance, but now it certainly is. The feel and finish of this mattiness that they've given over here, and over here with this glossy design when Samsung gets flashed upon, it makes the phone look actually very nice. I personally like it in the black color a lot. It makes it feel very cool. This, just like the predecessor, the camera setup over here, it just makes it look very nice, very neat. You flip the phone open, and of course you get yourself the larger screen over here, and then it is more or less a regular phone size for you, which feels right, feels good, very light, very comfortable. It's a very good single hand usage phone, If somebody tells you differently, don't believe them. It is actually very easy to use on a single hand. I have heard people say that they find it a little more feminine, the device. So no offense to anyone, but to a few people, they find that they would, in comparison to the Flip or the Fold, they would prefer the Fold for one of those. That could be one of the reasons for them. But I think the Flip is a very, very compact device, and it's personally been my personal favorite, for the reason being of the way it is styled. It's so convenient. You can actually slip this into the smallest of your handbags and have no issues, and flip it open, and it's exactly what you need. Great device for having a lot of video calls. This one is actually being used by a lot of people professionally for that aspect as well, which is great. Touch, feel aspects, amazing, brilliant. The processor works brilliant. There is nothing that you really feel that you feel that there is something that is lagging. Another very great aspect that they've done with this Flip is now that it is water resistant. So yes, that's another very important part. This is yet not dust resistant, so that I have heard that a few people do have an issue with it, because they feel, with this kind of movement, you do have dust collected over here onto the edges. So that's a bit of an issue. But really, stay in a quite dusty city like Delhi, I haven't really faced a problem. So here, that's all right. You do not get a telephoto lens over here. So that can be a bit of a issue for a few people who would really want that in the camera segment. I don't really think someone who is actually focused just on camera is going to go for this device. This device is, again, just like the Fold, this device is again one of those which is bought for a reason, It is the way it is styled and designed, and of course the innovation and the first mover advantage that this device has over anyone else is the real reason why someone is going to go ahead for this. It is actually priced very well, which would excite a lot of people to want to have this device. It does come in two very nice colors, which makes you have the choice of both. If you do feel that the phone feels a bit feminine, you have a black option over there. So that's the win-win over there. And with a whole screen over here, it is actually very convenient. The only downside I would say for this device remains is that Maybe again the same logic of not having a muscle memory of using devices like this might be a hindrance for a few people, and that it is not dust resistant. That I've heard a lot of people talk about that also. But if you're looking for a new device which stands out from the rest, you want to appreciate it for the innovation that it is. It becomes a style statement for yourself and is actually priced much better than you would expect it to, then the Flip can actually be your choice.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.